of the charger. By the way, this right here, I have it. I just need to get something to glue it back on there, and that way the emblem will be back on the steering wheel. These bad boys right here, these coil packs, coil pack boots. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and changing these out. And you know, but I am very excited, man. We got that the boots. I thought they were going to have to order them. I did not even think they'd have them in stock. So that's gonna be awesome. So man, I'm excited, guys. Hopefully we can get this engine to stop sputtering. Like, it's not really sputtering, but it just shakes. So that's the one thing that's with that. And then a fun fact about having worn coil pack boots is that your car, well, one, it's gonna be shaking. Kind of feels like if it's cammed in a way. Not really, but somewhat. And then the other thing is that it'll lose power, guys. It loses power, and it's, you know, you're also robbing it of the gas mileage. And in reality, you shouldn't even run the car when this happens, just because you could cause damage to the engine. And so that, you know, that's one of the things. But like I said, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and change them out. Hopefully that's it. I've already changed out the spark plugs, so that can't be it. Even torqued them to spec. So, you know, it can't really be that. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So we are going to change out the coil boots on this charger. Now these seem to be good. What I was thinking is, you know, go the cheaper route, change out the boots, and hope that the boots are what's causing the misfiring. I'm assuming it is, because I swapped some of these out, and then I would get, you know, one working, one not working, and then vice versa. So that's the reason why I came down to that conclusion. And so that's what we'll be doing today. All right, so let's get started. I have the boots for the coil pack. Check this out. That's the way they come. And this is from AutoZone, so they had them in stock, and I want to go ahead and buy them. And then when you install these, just be careful, because they have these little coils in there. You don't want to lose those. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So I noticed something that I hadn't noticed before. You hear the exhaust sounds better? Sounds a lot more like not cammed. All right, guys, so I just checked something out, and I just realized that one of the O2 sensors was disconnected. Back there. See that right there? That white wire right there? Right there. That one was disconnected, and it was kind of, I think, making the car, you know, freak out. And now it seems that the car is running smoother. Well, no, not really. It's still, you can still feel it a little bit. So let's go ahead and move it this side, just because I'm already on this side in the shade. So let's go ahead and take these out. Now you can use the long one to undo this one, but when it comes to this one, you don't want to use a short one. And as we are using our Shield Pro cordless ratchet, so let's go ahead and get these undone. So when you pull them out, try to be careful, because sometimes what happens is that you can tear the boot and then it stays stuck in there. So here they are. This is the coil pack. These are the boots. And yeah, they seem pretty rough. So let's go ahead and take one out. You can see I already pulled one out, and it has a little, you can close in on that. It looks pretty rusted, pretty old. And yeah, so we're gonna get rid of these, swap them all out, and then let's hope for the best that this cheaper fix is better, because in order to replace all the coil packs, it's about, if you want to do the OEM, it's about $200 and some. If you go the cheaper route, it's about $130. But then at the same time, you might end up in that case where you get what you pay for. And I have read a few reviews, but it's still not enough to pull the trigger on buying the whole coil packs. So that's why I went this route, because it's a lot cheaper. Now these, you could find them. I had a coupon code for these, so they come out to about 20 some, which is not bad. And there we go. We removed these 2 boots, as you can see here. These are the new ones. So let's go ahead and open. There you go. So this is a new one. Check that out. Looks a lot cleaner. The springs seem to be a bit messed up in them. But that's the difference between the old one here and the clean one here, the new one. So this, basically all you do, see if I can get somehow to film this. All you do basically is just put it in there, drop it in there, but make sure the spring isn't like that. The spring goes into that hole, and you just put it in there. We have our new boot on. New boots. I just need some dielectric grease, and I'm gonna go get that right now. So dielectric grease, and this you'll simply put it in here, put a little bit in there. Have that one first. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of grease on this right here. Not too much, you know, just a little bit. I'm gonna remove this one. So up to the final ones, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so I'm finished. If you're kind of knowledgeable with this kind of stuff, it should be done within maybe 15-30 minutes max. But yeah, got done with this, and these are the old ones right here. So let's fire her right up. All right, guys, we're gonna fire her right up. There you go. So all right, guys, so let's go ahead and turn the car on. And we're still gonna have that check engine light because I took the car to go get on the OBD2 again, and now we have another issue, but I'm going to save that for another video, and just due to the time. So anyways, guys, we got it going. It was a success, replacing all the boots. Thank you all for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment as well. That will be a part of the giveaway, actually, when it comes to commenting. And I know on the previous video I talked about a giveaway, but I have to wait until the Mustang comes back. So I've already said enough. I already said too much, but yes, guys, it's gonna have to do with the Mustang. The giveaway is going to have to do with, I have to include the Mustang so that we can get this giveaway going. But stay tuned, guys. Thank you all for your support. Love y'all, man. Y'all stay safe. Have a good one.